Trinity Cultural Academy welcomes you all to online classes for horticulture part 2. Friends, note down this number and mail ID to clarify your doubts and to get the PDF materials. Friends, part 2 online classes for horticulture covers 3 chapters in unit 1. They are export and import, nutritional value of horticulture crops and horticultural zones of Tamil Nadu. Friends, now let us see export and import as a chapter 3 in unit 1. In global market, India stands in a significant position as a second largest producer of vegetables and fruits. In grapes, India stands in the premier position in export with 232.9 thousand tons, which valued rupees 2,08,835 lakhs. Not only in grapes, in other fruits like mango and banana, and fresh vegetables like peas, potato, etc. Now, let us see the export report of Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. During 2017 to 18, India exported fruits and vegetables which worth rupees 9410.81 crores. Larger portion of fruits exported from our country were mango, walnut, grapes, banana and pomegranate, whereas vegetables, onion, okra, bitter gourd, green chilies, mushroom and potato. So where it is exported? Major destination for Indian fruits and vegetables are UAE, Sri Lanka, Netherlands, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Nepal, UK, Saudi Arabia and Qatar. During the financial year of 2016 to 2017, India exported fresh vegetables which worth rupees 5,922 crores. India exports to UAE, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Netherlands, Saudi Arabia, UK and other countries too. For fresh fruits, India is the largest producer of banana, papaya and mango. India imports from Pakistan, Qatar, Sri Lanka, UAE and other countries. Friends, keep it in your mind, global share of India is only 1%. Friends, now let us see the import details of horticultural crops in India. India imported fruits and vegetables which worth rupees 102 billion Indian rupees. India is the largest importer of ginger and okra. India imports vegetables which worth around rupees 55 billion every year. Green vegetables around rupees 180 million. Cabbage, radish, cauliflower and green peas are imported on large scale. During 2016 to 17, India imported fruits and vegetables which worth rupees 5,897 crores. Friends, just have a glimpse over these fresh fruits which we are importing from other countries. Apple, avocados, blackberry, blueberry, grapefruit, kiwi fruit, mangosteen, pomegranate, dried fruit and nuts. In vegetables, we are importing asparagus, in flowers, lilies, and in plantation crop, coconut. Friends, now we are completed chapter 3 and entering into chapter 4, nutritional value of horticulture crops. In this, we are going to see some of the essential nutrients which are provided by different horticultural crop. Role of vitamin A in human body is essential for growth and reproduction, helps in resistance to infection, increases longevity and decreases salinity. And what are the deficiencies of vitamin A? Night blindness, xerophthalmia, reduction in growth, roughness in skin, formation of stones in kidney. And what are the sources of vitamin A? Mango, papaya, persimmon, dates, jackfruit, walnut, oranges, passion fruit, loquat, coriander leaves, drumstick leaf, fenugreek leaf, etc. Role of vitamin B1 in human body is to maintain good appetite and normal digestion. It is necessary for growth, fertility, lactation and for normal functioning of nervous system. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi, paralysis, loss of sensitivity of skin, enlargement of heart, loss of appetite and fall in body temperature. The sources of vitamin B1 are walnut, apricot, apple, banana, grapefruit, plum and almond, chilies, colocasia leaves, tomato, etc. The role of vitamin B2 in human body is important for growth, health of the skin and for respiration in poorly vascularized tissue such as the cornea. Deficiency of vitamin B2 causes pellagra and alopecia, loss of appetite and loss of weight, sore throat and development of cataract, swollen nose and bladness. The source of vitamin B2 are bale, papaya, lychee, pomegranate, wood apple and pineapple, amaranthus, fenugreek leaf, etc. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, pain in joints, swelling of limbs, unhealthy gums, tooth decay, delay in wound healing, and rheumatism. Source of vitamin C are amla, guava, lime, lemon, sweet orange, pear, pineapple, pear, Barbados cherry, chilies, tomato, coriander leaves, drumstick leaf, etc. The source of fat are walnut, almond, avocado. Source of fiber are guava, pomegranate, amla, grape, amaranthus, spinach, etc. Next, we are going to see minerals essential for growth and development for the human body. Calcium deficiency causes rickets and osteomalacia. The source of calcium are custard apple, fig, palsa, citrus, sapota, grapes, West Indian cherry, curry leaf, amaranthus, radish leaves, fenugreek leaf, etc. The role of phosphorus in human body is essential for cell multiplication of bones and soft tissues, and it helps in liberation of energy on oxidation of carbohydrates. The source of phosphorus are wood apple, avocado, dates, pomegranate, and grape resins. Proteins are important for body growth, formation, and maintenance of body tissue. The source of protein are West Indian cherry, avocado, custard apple, banana, apricot, guava, grapes, peas, cowpea, bean, etc. Iron acts as an oxygen carrier in the body. The source of iron are caranda, date palm, grapes resin, West Indian cherry, guava, custard apple, amaranthus tender, coriander leaves, avocado, sapota, plum, etc. Avocado and olive acts as a good source of energy, whereas jamun and papaya acts as a good source of enzyme. Reduces obesity, maintain health, and increase the longevity of life. Friends, we have completed chapter 4 and entering into chapter 5 horticultural zones of Tamil Nadu. There are 7 agroclimatic zones. Let us see one by one. Northeastern zone. This zone covers the districts of Kanjipuram, Tiruvarur, Kadalur, Velur, Viluppuram and Tiruvannamalai. Soil type of these zones are red sandy loam, clay loam, saline coastal alluvium. Dharmaburi, Krishnagiri, Salem and parts of Namakkal comes under northwestern zone. Soil type of this zone are non-calcareous red, non-calcareous brown, calcareous black. Erode, Coimbatore, Tirupur, Theni, parts of Karur and Namakkal, Dindikkal, Perambalur and parts of Ariyalur comes under western zone. The soil type of this zone is red, loamy and black soil. Kaveri Delta zone covers the districts of Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Trichy and parts of Karur, Ariyalur, Pudukkottai and Kadalur. The soil type of this zone are red loamy soil and alluvial soil. Madurai, Sivagangai, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi comes under southern zone, and the soil type of southern zone are coastal alluvium, black, red sandy soil and deep red soil. Kanyakumari comes under high rainfall zone, and the soil type of this zone are saline coastal, alluvium and deep red loam. The Nilgiris and Kodaikanal comes under hilly zone, and the soil type of this zone is laterite soil. Tamil Nadu, second largest contributor to India's GDP after Maharashtra. The major fruits are banana, mango, citrus, grapes, guava, sapota, papaya and pineapple. The district growing the major fruits are Krishnagiri, Dindikkal, Tirunelveli, Velur, Theni, Erode, Trichy, Tiruvallur, Dharmaburi and Madurai. Major fruits are tapioca, onion, tomato, potato, brinjal, drumstick, beans and carrot. And the major districts which are growing the major vegetables are Namakkal, Salem, Dharmaburi, Trichy, Tirupur, Dindikkal, Erode, Kallakurichi, Krishnagiri, Perambalur, Nilgiris and Theni. Spices and condiments: chilli, turmeric, tamarind, coriander, pepper, cardamom and cloves, which are growing in the districts of Ramnath, Thoothukudi, Erode, Salem, Virudhunagar, Dindikkal, Dharmaburi and Sivagangai. Plantation crops like tea, coffee, rubber and cashew nut, which are growing in the districts of Nilagiri, Ariyalur, Kadalur, Kanyakumari, Dindikkal, Coimbatore, Pudukkottai and Salem. Flowers like jasmine, coriander, tuberose and chrysanthemum. Cut flowers like rose, carnation and gerbera. Friends, we have completed chapter 3, 4 and 5 and now entering into important questions and answers. Which fruit is exported in largest quantity? Answer is banana. Which one of the following vegetable is exported in bulk quantity? Potato. Which country is the major importer of flowers? USA. Which statement is correct? India exports processed rubber. India exports synthetic rubber. India exports value added rubber. Or India exports natural rubber. The answer is India exports natural rubber. Which nutrient deficiency causes rickets? Calcium. How many agroclimatic zones are in Tamil Nadu? 7. Thank you friends for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to receive the upcoming videos. Thank you.